Hey y'all, it's none other than the glamorous girl herself, back with this 2-for-1 special on this chocolatey reddish brown unit. And the heat outside is disrespectful. I mean, it's terrible. But I wanted to show you guys how versatile your 13x6 lace frontal wigs can be. You still have options. You can slay. You can keep the sweat at bay. Even though there was a fail in this video, it was almost my 13th reason, but I pressed through and I want to show you. So let's get into it. Now this unit is from Wow African. They're giving you a nice luxury unboxing experience. This unit is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, 180% density. It's giving straight volume. I co-washed it and the curl pattern is absolutely gorgeous. And I wanted to show you guys I'm using Kenra Platinum hair products. It's like luxury hair care and they leave such a beautiful high shine and gloss on the hair. I highly recommend them. Like, girl, get into the description box so you can get yours. And I wanted to go in and blow dry this unit just to release a bit of the curl pattern, because I am going to be curling this unit and I love how voluminous and silky this looks like. And I did layer her because I need these curls to flow and be effortless. Now I have a ton of videos on how to curl your hair using a curling iron. I show you how to do roller sets, and you can set them with the help of double prong clips or duckbill clips, or you can take it a step further and use the Velcro rollers. I have so many tutorials, so make sure you check them out, sis, because they're actually helpful and they can walk you step by step through the process so you're not lost. Okay, I want you to slay with confidence too. And after pinning the hair, I allowed the unit to set and cool for a little over 48 hours. And trust me, it makes all the difference. You saw how luscious the curls were. So this unit is color treated, but as you guys could see in the intro, these curls were super defined. They lasted. They didn't just drop within 30 minutes of installing the unit. And that's a testament to the quality of this unit. So I'm in love. Instead of using lace tint spray, I went ahead and applied pressed powder to the lace and set it using the hard head spray. Now remember, I told you this tutorial was almost my 13th reason, because this lace adhesive put me through it. I applied the adhesive as normal, but the results were different. The adhesive had this white cast. It would not dry down clear, but I said I'm going to keep moving through it, and I'm going to show you guys how I ended up fixing it. And what's crazy is the rest of the install went perfectly fine. I literally almost gave up, but once I saw how like skin like this lace was laying, I'm like, you know what, I don't want to get deterred. Things happen. To fix this of lace adhesive, I'm going to apply the hard head spray. So this is going to introduce moisture so that it can begin drying down again. Unfortunately, it won't be as clear as I would like, as you see on the left and right sides of the unit, but it's still going to dry down almost clear. So with my elastic band, I let it set for about 30 minutes and it was still a little bit of a white cast. But I gave myself some grace and I said, let's move along, because as I'm doing my makeup, I'll allow the elastic band to set across the hairline so that the lace adhesive can continue to dry down. Now there's a lot of hair on this unit, but one thing about it, I love it. It's thick, it's luscious. This to me is worth it. Now I beat my face, you know, I'm okay with the results. You know, I'm content. You know what? No, I'm content with the results. Let me big myself up because I pressed forward. I pressed onward, even though I was definitely discouraged. So I just went about removing the double prong clips and the duckbill clips. The curls were super bouncy, so it took a little bit of work to tame them. So I had to go on with the hot comb. I wasn't feeling the middle part, so I said, let's switch it. Let's do a side part situation. And honestly, sometimes that works more effortlessly. So flow with it, don't go against it. That's the whole motto for this whole tutorial. And honestly, the way I layered this unit, whether I wore it as a middle part or a side part, it was going to hit, but it works out well. So this is style number 1. I do think it is too damn hot outside to do this, but in case this is your thing, you could do this if you choose. I think for the fall, this would be perfect. But since we are in the dead of summer and it's hotter than it's ever been, that's what it feels like to me. It's never been this hot. You know what I'm saying? At least I don't remember. Do y'all remember? But how do you guys like this style? Would you slay style number 1, or let's talk more about that faux updo. So with the faux updo, it gives more of an illusion. You have to create a semicircular shape for the bang portion, and you want it to be as neat as possible. You don't want too much hair in the bang because honestly, it's not necessary. You want to section this out and keep the hair set aside. And I use the wax stick to help me begin to direct the hair towards the back and slightly upward. I didn't want a super high ponytail. It's not necessary because I want the end of the ponytail to disguise the base of this wig at the nape, which is really important. Now I couldn't show everything, but hopefully you guys see here, I was taking out small sections of hair. You don't want it to be in a straight line. It doesn't need to be in a straight line. You need strategic pieces to conceal the edges of the bottom of the wig near the nape. That's the most important part. You don't need a lot of hair, and you want to readjust your elastic band so you keep this sectioned hair down so it doesn't get caught up into the faux ponytail. Now again, you want to make sure it's sleek on the sides. It can be a little bit messy at the back, not too messy. We want to look like, you know, we're supposed to be cute. Now you don't want it to be too messy because again, you know, it's a messy vibe, but it's polished. There we go. That's it. So I'm using a scrunchie to secure the base of the ponytail, and you can do a bun. I just decided to allow the ends of the hair to just lay down because again, the curls were so beautiful, so gorgeous and voluminous. And you can use a clip to push the height of the ponytail upward if you wish. That's what I did. I didn't show it, but I wanted to conceal the scrunchie, so I took a section of hair just to wrap it around the base. This is just to give you style inspiration. Like, I thought this was cute because I know I'm not wearing 20 inches down. It's not. It has to be like late at night when it's a little bit cooler, if that's even possible during this time. But I had to wear this unit up because I'm not wearing 20 plus inches down right now. When it's like silky straight, I'm not doing it. Pick somebody else, okay? It's not gonna be me. But I used my 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and I'm turning the curling iron under but away from the face, curling it under and away from the face. Let it set for a little bit, and then you want to use a duckbill clip to let it set and cool in place. And then, like I said, you just want to curl these small sections. If you have a smaller curling iron, you'll get better results. You'll get a tighter curl. But I just took the curled ends at the nape and I just gathered them and used a bobby pin to pin them just under the base of the ponytail so they're not hanging too low. And you get a really gorgeous ponytail look. I like this, but y'all need to check out Wow African. They gave me some coupon codes. You can use pink15 for $15 off all wigs, or you can use pink30 for $30 off 13x6 lace frontal wigs. And I loved my makeup look with this. You know, I wanted like a pink eyeliner. So tell me which style you prefer. Do you like the updo, the faux updo, or do you like the long luxurious curls? Definitely let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Kiki with me in the comments. Share this with your homeboys and your homegirls.